Hi guys, so to embed any recording or screencast that you've already uploaded into YouTube, it's pretty straightforward and simple, but I thought I'd show you and explain it to you rather than just typing it out. So head on over to the video that you uploaded onto your channel, onto your YouTube account, and you're going to click on share. This is going to bring you to an option of a link, but we're going to click on embed. This allows me to copy and paste this into my Canvas. So I've already made sure its link is copied to my clipboard. I'm going to head on over to Canvas, and it just so happens to be the exact discussion board forum that I'm setting up for you guys right now. So in order to embed this, I'm just going to click over here on Insert or Edit Media. I'm going to select the embed option, and all I'm going to do is copy and paste this into the box, hit OK, and there's my video, and I'll center it. Why not?